Hi, today we're going to be showing you how to replace the light bulb on a PF-72 series range hood. Before we begin, you want to make sure that the power to the unit has been cut off, and depending on the bulb that you're using, whether it be halogen or LED, make sure that they're not hot because you can possibly injure yourself. So make sure that they're cool to the touch. Once you have verified that power has been cut off and they're cool to touch, we can begin the removal process. So, in order to remove the light bulb, you're going to want to use your palm and press up against the bulb itself into the actual stainless steel frame. Once you do so, you're going to want to turn in a counterclockwise motion. Once the unit does not turn anymore, it'll actually be disengaged from the keyhole locking mechanism and you can pull the bulb right out. So let's start with the palm, press in, turn counterclockwise, doesn't turn anymore. Now I'm going to use my fingertips to go ahead and get a grip on the sides. Now, being that you're going to be doing this with the unit installed, gravity is actually going to help with having the bulb actually drop out much easier. So do be careful, because once you have it unlocked, the bulb is just going to come right out. So right now, since I have it upright, I'm going to turn all the way. Okay. Now, as you can see, the bulb is now loose. And I can simply wiggle it out and it's going to come right here. And there you have it. The bulb has been removed from the PF-72 series. In this next part, we're going to show you how to reinstall the light bulb in the light socket. Now, being that this is a GU10 light bulb, you can actually go ahead and either use halogen or an upgraded LED. But for today's instruction, we're going to go ahead and use the original halogen light bulb. Now to reinstall the light bulb. For the instruction, we're going to go ahead and use an external light socket so we can give you a much better image of how the locking mechanism works. So from the actual image, you can actually see that it's in a keyhole fashion, as in there's one hole that's larger than the other, and the way it's going to lock is in a clockwise motion. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up the connectors on the light bulb in a X pattern, as from the large to the small, and make sure that they line up properly. You're going to want to line them up, insert it, and in a clockwise motion, go ahead and lock the light bulb. Once the light bulb has been turned to a counterclockwise motion and it does not go any further, the bulb is now locked in, and as you can see, it is in place.